We are well up into Icebox Canyon, headed towards the end of the trail, but we're just in the gravel bar bouldering through this area. There's not going to be a waterfall, I don't believe, because we're at the end of summer and there hasn't been any rain that I know of. But navigating these rocks has been pretty awesome. It's almost like being back home on the river, climbing around in the gravel. Huh? I'm sorry, son, what'd you say?
Just follow the creek.
Yeah, just keep following the creek. I think that's the best way, don't you? I mean, we could have got off trail, but I don't know. I didn't see a trail marker, and it doesn't matter at this point. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, this creek is awesome.
So regardless of whether we're on the trail, but this looks like the trail right here.
Dun, dun, dun.
You okay, Catherine? There's somebody there going back down, so we are kind of in the right neighborhood. Whoa.
Yeah.
It's very slippery right there. A lot of sand on that rock. Check that out.
Take a quick break.
You good? All right, take a break.